Hello, welcome to the recipe of this crispy, juicy, and creamy club sandwich. Let's start with the main part of our recipe, the flavorful chicken. In a large bowl, add salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, oyster sauce, and finally the mustard paste. Now add your chicken fillets and give them a good massage. Let all those bold flavors sink in. This chicken isn't just tasty, it's versatile. You can use it in wraps, burgers, or even pasta like outside of this recipe. Set it aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes and move on to making the creamy sandwich sauce. While our chicken soaks in flavor, let's make a quick and easy magical sauce. In a bowl, mix mayonnaise, ketchup, your favorite hot sauce, garlic powder, and then just stir until it's smooth. It's that easy. Now let's move to crunchy veggies. Cut your veggies of choice. I'm using crisp lettuce and thinly sliced cucumber today. Now let's cook that chicken. Heat some oil in a pan, add marinated chicken fillets, and fry on high flame. This locks in the moisture when you start by cooking at high flame, and then lower the heat and cook until it's perfectly tender. And while they're getting tender, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Once they're done, cut them into thick, juicy strips. Now let's prepare the fluffy eggs. Beat 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Fry them into a simple omelette and set aside. Let's toast the bread. Remove the edges of your bread slices and toast them on a grill or a regular pan until it's golden and crisp. Now it's time to assemble the sandwich. Take 3 slices of toasted bread and let's build it layer by layer. First, spread that magical sauce on all of the slices. On our first slice, put some of the lettuce, cucumber, the egg, and a slice of cheese. Then put our second slice on top, and again put some of our sauce on it. Then put the chicken strips on it, and there goes the third slice. And there you go, cut them in halves or in 4s depending on how big your bread is. And there's your club sandwiches. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. And watch this one next. I think you guys will like it.